Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, once again we are going to discuss CSS Selector, the child combinator, a powerful tool in CSS for targeting specific elements on your web page. We shall explore what it is, how to use it, and its benefits for creating well-structured and stylish websites. What is child combinator? Imagine a family tree. The parent element is the top branch, and the child elements are its direct offspring. The child combinator in CSS works similarly. It allows you to target only those elements that are directly nested within another element. It is denoted by the greater than symbol. Here is syntax of child combinator. Why use the child combinator? It increases the specificity of your CSS selectors. By targeting direct children, you ensure that only the intended elements are styled. This helps to avoid unintended consequences and keeps your code clean. Second, the child combinator helps keep your CSS code more organized and easier to maintain, especially when dealing with nested elements. Let's move to practical examples. Here our goal is to style all paragraphs that are child elements of specific element. For example, if you write the selector like this, it will change the color of all paragraphs of specific parent. But our goal is to select all paragraphs that are immediate children of specific element. Just we have to write greater than symbol after parent selector. Yes, only direct children paragraphs are styled. Like that you can change style of other child elements. In this example, our goal is to show the child menu when the user clicks on the parent menu. Let's see in code how all this will happen. First, we need to hide the drop-down menu. As you know, display none property is used to hide any element. Next, we need to do this. The drop-down menu should appear when a user hovers the cursor over the About menu. We will select all the parent menus and use the hover pseudo element. When the cursor is hovering over the parent li, the submenu will be selected and shown using the display block property. Let's check in the browser. Yes, it is working as we wanted. First, we'll style all the labels on the form. Now let's style the input fields of the form. Select input fields with the type attribute. We will select all text fields using the type text attribute. In this way, the type password attribute will be used to select the password field. Now we style the selected input fields. You can also style form buttons using the child combinator selector.